How to put Google bar in home screen. So what we'll do is we'll simply long press on our home widget, and then after clicking on it, we'll see a lot of options that we can add in our widget here. So we can see a Google option there. So we'll simply be able to click on it, and we will get a lots of options, a lot of shortcuts, and a lot of search bar, quick accents, and a search bar. So I will simply click on quick action right here, and here, as you can see, I'm able to add it in my widget here. And yeah, that is how we can add it. And if we want to remove it, then what we can do is we can simply long press on it again, and then we can simply click on remove widget, and yeah, that is how we can remove it.